Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 26.4.2 is just not installing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the big thing you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection or internet connection to make sure that the update even downloads. Most of the time that ends up being the problem. So go through, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is good and your cell connection is good too. Number two, under your iPhone storage, so go inside of your general settings right here, and then under iPhone storage, which is right over here, you also want to make sure you have enough storage saved on your device. That can be another very easy fix here too, because sometimes you might just be running into some, storage issues. You might just have to go through and clear some storage out before actually going through and actually using your device or trying to update. If you're running out of storage, try clearing some stuff out. Now, if that's still not working, you might just want to go back into your iPhone settings like this, go into your general settings, go into your software update, and try seeing if you can restart the update by just scrolling down right up here and trying to regenerate the update. You can also go back into iPhone storage, clear the update from here, go back into software update and try updating your iPhone from there. If that's not working, try plugging in your iPhone to make sure it's charged. You can also restart your iPhone by holding the side button and volume up button. Try restarting your iPhone that way, and that should end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.